Namaskar, dear students. This video is going to deal with the comprehension part of your syllabus, and that is the third unit. And in that, we have already studied Voice of the Unwanted Girl by Sujata Bhatt, and The Night Train at Devli by Ruskin Bond, and A Tryst with Destiny by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Now, in this lesson, we will take up The Birth of Khadi by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, महात्मा गांधी एक ऐसा नाम, एक ऐसी शख्सियत और एक ऐसी पर्सनालिटी हैं जिन्हें ना सिर्फ भारतीय अपितु संपूर्ण विश्व जानता है. एंड वी ऑल आर अवेयर दैट ही चोज ट्रूथ एंड नॉन वायलेंस एज द चीफ वेपन्स अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश रूल इन इंडिया and also used the spinning wheel, charkha, as an integral part and an icon of the Swadeshi movement. और इस स्वदेशी आंदोलन के तहत गांधी जी ने चरखे को प्रतीक बनाकर खादी मूवमेंट, खादी आंदोलन प्रारंभ किया, जिसके तहत विदेशी वस्त्रों, फॉरेन क्लोथ्स का बॉयकॉट यानी बहिष्कार किया गया. Along with this, the most important point of this movement was that Gandhi began promoting the spinning of khadi for rural self-employment and self-reliance instead of using cloth manufactured industrially in Britain, and promoted an idea that Indians could be self-reliant on cotton and be free from the high-priced goods and clothes during the British colonial rule. स्वावलंबन और आत्मनिर्भरता के साथ साथ खादी मूवमेंट ने भारतीयों में राष्ट्रीयता की भावना को जागृत करने और इसे संचरित करने का कार्य भी किया. खादी मूवमेंट हैज प्लेड अ वाइटल रोल इन डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स like social, economic, political, and of course it aroused the feeling of nationalism among Indians. But do you know how was Khadi born? How did it come into existence? यानी खादी का जन्म कैसे हुआ? और इस प्रश्न का उत्तर स्वयं महात्मा गांधी अपनी ऑटोबायोग्राफी द स्टोरी ऑफ माई एक्सपेरिमेंट्स विद ट्रूथ में देते हैं. एंड दैट पार्ट ऑफ हिज ऑटोबायोग्राफी हैज़ बीन प्रिस्क्राइब्ड फॉर आवर स्टडी entitled as The Birth of Khadi by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. So before we get to know how Khadi was born, let's have a brief introduction of Mahatma Gandhi. I believe you all know that Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd of October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. Officially recognized as the father of the nation, he was popularly known as Bapu. गांधी जी एक स्वतंत्रता सेनानी के रूप में और सत्य और अहिंसा के पथ पर चलने वाले अडिग पथिक के रूप में, एक दार्शनिक के रूप में और एक प्रेरक व्यक्तित्व के रूप में तो जाने ही जाते हैं. Along with this, he was one of the greatest Indian writers of English, and his autobiography and other books are worth reading. Now we will take up the extract taken from his autobiography, The Birth of Khadi. In this video, first we will read the text and then we will analyze it. Well, let's begin. I do not remember to have seen a handloom or a spinning wheel when in 1908 I described it in Hind Swaraj as the panacea for the growing pauperism of India. In that book, I took it as understood that anything that helped India to get rid of the grinding poverty of her masses would in the same process also establish Swaraj. In these lines, Gandhiji says that when he wrote his book Hind Swaraj in 1908, he mentioned the spinning wheel, that is charkha, as the solution, as the remedy for the growing, that was increasing pauperism of India. You know, pauperism means the state of being poor or poverty. गांधी जी यहाँ पर भारत के इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस की बात कर रहे हैं. जब ब्रिटिश शासन काल में भारत में गरीबी अत्यधिक बढ़ रही थी, ऐसे समय में गांधी जी ने 1908 में उनके द्वारा लिखित पुस्तक हिंद स्वराज में यह सुझाया कि चरखे का प्रयोग कर हम न सिर्फ स्वराज्य स्थापित करेंगे अपितु भारतीय जनता गरीबी से भी छुटकारा पा सकती है. But the surprising thing that he tells us in the next lines is that he didn't see a spinning wheel even in 1915. So now let's listen to him. Even in 1915, when I returned to India from South Africa, I had not actually seen a spinning wheel. When the Satyagraha Ashram was founded at Sabarmati, we introduced a few handlooms there, but no sooner had we done this than we found ourselves up against a difficulty. That means Gandhiji had no idea what did a spinning wheel look like. यानी गांधी जी जब साउथ अफ्रीका से भारत आए तब तक उन्होंने चरखा देखा भी नहीं था, परंतु साबरमती आश्रम में जब उन्होंने अपना सत्याग्रह आश्रम बनाया वहां उन्होंने हैंडलूम्स की स्थापना की, परंतु उनके सामने एक डिफ़िकल्टी आ गई। चलिए जानते हैं गांधी जी के ही शब्दों में वो डिफ़िकल्टी, वो मुश्किल, वो अड़चन क्या थी। All of us belonged either to the liberal professions or to business. Not one of us was an artisan. We needed a weaving expert to teach us to weave before we could work the looms. One was at last procured from Palanpur, but he did not communicate to us the whole of his art. But Magan Lal Gandhi was not to be easily baffled. Possessed of a natural talent for mechanics, he was fully able to master the art before long, and one after another several new weavers were trained up in the ashram. So the problem which was faced by Gandhiji and other members of the ashram was that all of them were professionals or businessmen. No one knew the art of spinning the wheel. आश्रम में रहने वाले सभी व्यक्ति किसी प्रोफेशन या व्यवसाय से जुड़े थे। उनमें कोई व्यक्ति ऐसा नहीं था जो इस कला में पारंगत हो, माहिर हो। So they got a person from Palanpur, but he did not teach, he did not communicate his art to them. गांधी जी बताते हैं कि उनके आश्रम में रहने वाले मगनलाल गांधी आसानी से हार मानने वालों में नहीं थे। And with his natural talent for mechanics, he learnt this art. और इसी प्रकार एक के बाद एक कई नए वीवर्स को आश्रम में ट्रेनिंग दी गई। Well, we had a brief introduction of Mahatma Gandhi and Khadi movement, and we analyzed and paraphrased the first paragraph of the text of The Birth of Khadi. Now in the next video, we will take up the rest of the part of this text. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now. Thank you for joining. Happy learning.